In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox error code 0. This error can be quite frustrating, as it often prevents players from enjoying their favorite games. But don't worry, I'll guide you through the process of resolving this issue so you can get back to your adventures on Roblox without any hiccups. First things first, let's start by opening Roblox. It's good practice to ensure that you're launching the application with the most updated version. If you haven't done this already, it's a simple but effective step. Outdated software is often the culprit behind many unexplained errors, so make it a habit to keep things updated. Now, once Roblox is open, take a moment to verify your internet connection. A stable and strong connection is essential for the smooth running of any online game, including Roblox. If your network connection is weak or intermittently dropping, it might be causing the error code 0 to appear. You can check your connection by opening a web browser and trying to load a website or run a quick speed test. If your connection seems unstable, consider restarting your router. Next, let's ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements to run Roblox effectively. This is an often overlooked factor that can lead to errors. Double-check that your computer's operating system, RAM, graphics card, and other specifications meet or exceed the minimum requirements set by Roblox. If your hardware is inadequate, consider closing unnecessary background programs to free up resources. Moving on, let's discuss the importance of clearing your browser's cache and cookies if you're playing Roblox via a browser. This step can often fix issues as it refreshes your browser and clears out old data that might be causing conflicts. To do this, navigate to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, make sure cookies and cache are selected, and then proceed to clear them. Occasionally, antivirus or firewall settings might interfere with Roblox's functioning. Temporarily disabling them can help identify if they are the cause of the problem. If turning them off resolves error code 0, you may need to create an exception for Roblox in your security settings. Another useful tip is to uninstall and then reinstall Roblox. Doing so can fix corrupted files and provide a fresh installation that might eliminate the error. To uninstall, go to your computer's control panel or settings, find Roblox in the list of programs, and select Uninstall. Once removed, visit the official Roblox website to download and install the latest version of the game. Finally, check for any recent updates or announcements from Roblox regarding server issues. Sometimes, the problem might not originate from your side, and waiting for an official fix from Roblox could be the solution. Keeping an eye on their social media channels or support pages can keep you informed about any ongoing issues. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving Roblox error code 0. With persistence and attention to detail, you're likely to identify and fix the problem, allowing you to enjoy all that Roblox has to offer without interruption. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.